Venus in 8th house. This is considered to be little bit difficult position because Venus is about being in limelight. Venus is about being praised. And in the 8th house, Venus fails to get that attention, get that attraction from the people who should value you. But understand you are given this position for a reason, and the best remedy to get results from this position is whenever you are working with other people's finances, be careful. Second thing, be careful about inheritance matters. Third remedy is share your food with others. Share your good thoughts with others, share your values with others. Also, help people transform. Mostly, I find people as surgeons, medical, healthcare professionals, insurance agents who help people in transforming. Help others change their life, get best in them, and this will work.